We change lives. We empower women, youth, and newcomers to build better lives and careers. With an innovative, holistic approach, unique among community organizations, we train, guide, and mentor over 12,000 adults and youth annually, one life at a time.
I'm very impressed with the way MicroSkills has developed over the years. They seem to have a clear vision of what needs to be done and how to do it effectively. And they have targeted the really high need areas in terms of, generally immigrants have barriers in their lives coming to a new country. But then if you look at within that group, you identify women having even more barriers, youth, racialized communities.
At MicroSkills, we know that strong communities are built one life at a time. We provide settlement, employment, self-employment, social recreation and support services. All are crucial to the success of our community.
MicroSkills, I think, is known for a number of different things, depending on who you talk to. Clients would see it as a home away from home where they can get the support and the training that they need to do well, where they feel welcome and comfortable and safe. Other community agencies, I think, see MicroSkills as a reliable partner to turn to when there are interesting initiatives afoot in the community.
We have worked together on many issues to help government and policymakers understand how policies are impacting on people's lives, sometimes negatively, and to recommend how to remove those barriers and to make it easier for people to integrate economically and otherwise in Canadian society. So I think that the leadership provided by MicroSkills has made a big difference in our community.
Every child matters. Young people are our future. Through MicroSkills Youth Centre and through our partnership programs with Humber College, the City of Toronto, and the Toronto District School Board, young people have more opportunities to discover their abilities and change their lives.
We've collaborated on the service delivery level. MicroSkills has an excellent women's employment program, and we have a program helping women find work and self-employment also.
Our Women's Enterprise and Resource Centre is a business center run by women for women. We give women skills, knowledge, and support so they can start and successfully run their own business.
When I came into MicroSkill, I find there was a lot of stuff I didn't know. How to deal with a business, how to deal with people, and that's what I walked out here feeling confident of doing it.
The Women's Technology Institute provides training in high-end technology skills and prepares women for IT industry certification. It's the only focused learning environment in Canada that integrates an understanding of women's need for orientation to technology while responding to the challenges of achieving equity within the sector.
In this program you can get Microsoft Network Administrator certification, and also you can become a Microsoft Office expert, and which is wonderful. Everything was free, even the transportation subsidy. They provide daycare for our kids, so we will be able to come into school.
People come to MicroSkills looking for assistance with employment, but they get advocacy around social assistance, around training resources, around childcare, around transportation, around settlement, whatever it is that they need so that they can actually do well in the employment-related training programs that they're there to participate in.
We help prepare internationally trained people to enter local job markets and to succeed. A walk-in employment resource center helps people find work, along with skills training, workshops, and English language programs.
People are not connecting to jobs. They're not connecting to jobs that they're qualified to do. So what MicroSkills has been doing is basically preparing people to understand the Canadian workplace and to build on skills they already have in order to access the jobs, but also working with the employer community, let's say, by working with them, helping them understand what immigrants have to bring.
One of our employees volunteered to work at MicroSkills, and he, I guess as a result of that relationship, he arranged for placements to give Canadian experience to graduates of MicroSkills, and it's worked out quite well. It's been a long relationship. We've hired some of the staff.
A 15-member board of directors, a professional leadership management team, dedicated staff and volunteers work hard to fulfill our mandate.
The staff at MicroSkill is absolutely its greatest resource. The executive director and the senior management team have been there for a long time. They understand the community that they serve, they understand the work that they do really well, and they are all innovative risk takers who are always tracking to make sure that they're using money the best way that they can to serve their clients and achieve great outcomes.
We've developed strong ties to the corporate community, who provide much needed support.
We've had employees who have volunteered to work at MicroSkills, who have been on the board of MicroSkills as well. And through those volunteer hours, we were able to provide a grant to MicroSkills. The funding went to the UPS Information Technology Training Center. It's a resource center for all of the clients of MicroSkills to be able to utilize to help them with technology.
MicroSkills has been building strong communities for over 20 years. We help women, youth, and newcomers achieve economic self-sufficiency and become active participants in the community, one life at a time.
I'm really pleased to see people from other countries coming to Canada and getting the opportunity to get good jobs, to really take advantage of those skills that, that are good for Canada, certainly good for us. That's the aspect of what MicroSkills does that really impresses me, helping immigrants to become a really valuable part of Canada.